Hello, my name is Mr. Hacker. I'd like to welcome you to Chemistry and Physical Science Chemistry here at Millard West. Just a little bit about myself. I have taught chemistry at Millard West for the last 8 years. I've taught 18 years overall total. My wife is also a teacher in Millard. She teaches at Millard North High School. I have 3 children that they all attend Alcorn schools, but they're in 7th grade this year and 5th grade. So that's just a little bit of information about me. Okay, we're going to go over a lot of the stuff, a lot of the kind of the course expectations, a lot of the syllabus information. We'll do that on our first day together. But I just wanted to get this out here just to especially reach out to some people who may be starting remotely, or and any one of us really could go remote at any time. So just wanted to get this kind of out there to kind of alleviate some of the maybe anxiety or some of the questions some people may have. Okay, one of the things you're going to notice is that most days you're going to have an assignment. Okay, those assignments will be posted in Google Classroom, and I'll kind of show you here. I'll give you an example of what that would look like. So here I'm going to pull up a Google Classroom. Let's go over here. I'm going to go to Classes. And this is like my one from summer school, so it's not any of the classes, but you guys have seen Google Classroom before, and when they're posts and things that are made, so let's say here I'm giving you some instructions and here's an activity, and you guys know when you have an assignment posted, it's here in this classwork tab, and you can see what these things are when they're due. The thing I really want to draw your attention to, if you look over here on this upcoming tab, whenever you have an assignment that's due, it'll tell you when. So like due tomorrow here at 9:30. So pay attention to those deadlines, okay? Because once they're closed and locked down, I don't reopen them, because generally we go over those things together in class. So important to stay on top of your daily assignments, and this is where you're going to see them. All right, announcements and things will be made over here. All the links and things you'll need will be there, but this will be your little reminder, okay? Your little window there. All right, let's go back to here. And so, like I said, I will post those in Google Classroom. As you guys are aware of, there will be some people that will be here live in class, and then there may be some people that are at home participating remotely. They will be presented concurrently, so that means at the same time. So I'm not going to make a separate lesson for people who are here and people that are home. All people are expected to do the same lesson. And so you'll have just a Zoom link that I'll put up for that class, and it'll just be live and available. Make certain you're there at the start of the normal class time. Attendance will be taken. And so make certain you're present, and make certain you're actively participating in your education. If you're attending remotely, you have to have your camera on and your face must be visible. So I have to see that you're there so I can interact with you. Okay, if I can't see you, you'll be removed and you'll be counted absent. So you can't have your camera off. You can't have it, like pointed up at the ceiling or anything. I want to see you, that you're there. Okay. Also, when you sign in, make certain that you sign in both with your first and last name. Okay. So I have to have the first and last name, and it's largely for just security and safety reasons. We don't want people that don't belong in the class there. So I generally, personally, am not going to know any of you. So make certain you have your first and last name. That way I see, yep, this person's on my roster. They belong. If you have some other name, some nickname or something I don't recognize, I'm not going to let you in. So just make certain first and last name is there. That'll help me learn your names. Okay, so that's kind of just some of the housekeeping stuff with just how remote learning is going to look. And as far as chemistry, it'll look a little different this year than in normal years, but we'll get through it. Okay, we'll get you the information you need to be successful. Just a couple of other last things I'd like to mention that you may or may not be aware of. It's probably a good idea to bring a water bottle, because they don't have any of those drinking fountains open. That's something I didn't know my first day. When we came back this week, all the drinking fountains have been turned off, so make certain that you bring a water bottle so that you can stay hydrated. We're going to do our best to keep you guys safe in here. We have our sanitation protocol in place. Make certain you bring your mask every day. Make certain you bring your charged laptop. Okay. So those are all some things that you need to be thinking about. So we'll see you all, guys all here this upcoming week, and we'll kind of go through some of this stuff. I will post a Zoom link, and I'll put that here in the email following, so that if you guys have any questions, I'll do a little open house tomorrow, which is Friday, from 2 to 3 p.m. You guys can log in, say hi, ask questions, do whatever, and I'll be hanging around, okay? So other than that, hope we have a good year and learn a few things. All right, we'll see you guys soon.